In today's video, I will teach you how to make course promo graphics using Canva Magic Studio. Let's get started. Promoting a course doesn't have to mean spending hours designing graphics from scratch. With Canva Magic Studio and Magic Design, you can quickly create polished, on-brand course promo graphics for social media, websites, and ads, even if you're not a designer. So start by logging into your Canva account, and from the homepage, click Canva AI to open Canva's Magic Studio tools. And here you'll see a text box where you can type what you want Canva to create. Now click the image icon and make sure the AI is set to Magic Design mode, which generates full design layouts instead of single images. Now click Style to browse different style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. And make sure to choose a style that matches your course. But you can also skip the style selection and describe the look directly in your prompt. To do this, go to the text box and describe the type of course promo graphics that you want to generate. And make sure to be clear and specific so Canva knows exactly what to design. You can include details like course topic or title, target audience, tone, color preferences, and key elements. And you can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And now we're going to select the aspect ratio. The most common aspect ratios for course promo graphics are 1:1 for Instagram posts and Square ads, 4:5 for Instagram feed and Facebook posts, 9:16 for Instagram Reels, Stories, and ads, and 16:9 for website banners or video thumbnails. And choose the one that fits where you want to plan to share your promo graphic, but you can always resize later in Canva if needed. And once your prompt, style, and aspect ratio are ready, press enter and let Canva's Magic Design work its magic. And Canva will create 4 course promo graphics, so click on each one to view the layout, text placement, and overall design. And if you like a design, you can open it in Canva's editor to edit the text, colors, images, or layout, or turn it into a poster or social media post. If the design looks low quality, you can click Boost Resolution. And if you're not satisfied, you can update your prompt by changing the tone, colors, or layout style and generate new options. And once you're happy with the final design, select it and click download, and your course promo graphic is now ready to share. Canva's Magic Studio makes creating course promo graphics easy and beginner-friendly. With a clear prompt and the right aspect ratio, you can design professional-looking promos that grab attention and help sell your course. No design experience required. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.